This Allen Bradley 6181f-15tpxph, which is a member of the Versaview 1500p family of operator interface terminals, came to us dead from a printing company. We determined the main CPU board was shorted, so we found a replacement board for the unit. We also took the time to back up the hard drive for the customer as an added service, so if in the future they had issues, we could restore their system. As shown in the video, this system boots up into a standard Windows environment and then starts the custom application, which is very common in modern machine design. At ERD, we have extensive repair experience on many Allen Bradley products, as well as a very wide variety of OIT systems. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.